In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot and insert into a Google Sheets. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along step by step. Start by opening the Google Sheet where you want your screenshot to appear. If it's a shared document, make sure you have edit access so you can paste images without any issues. It's also helpful to zoom in or out to a comfortable view so you can position the image cleanly once it's pasted. Next, take your screenshot and copy it to the clipboard. On Windows, press the Windows key. Shift and S at the same time to open the snipping tool. The screen will dim and your cursor will turn into a crosshair. Click and drag to select exactly the area you want to capture. If you don't like your first selection, just drag again to reselect. As soon as you release the mouse, the image is automatically copied to your clipboard. You won't need to save a file. It's ready to paste right away. You may see a small preview pop up. Feel free to ignore it since you'll paste directly into your sheet. Now switch back to your Google Sheet. Click the cell or general area where you want the screenshot to show up. This helps anchor the image near the right part of the sheet. Paste by pressing Ctrl+V if you are on Windows or using a Chromebook. Give it a second and your screenshot will appear as a floating image over the cells. That means it isn't inside a specific cell. It sits on top, so your formulas, text, and cell formatting underneath remain untouched. From here, adjust the image so it looks clean and organized. To move it, click once to select it and drag it where you want. To resize it, use the blue corner handles. Dragging a corner keeps the proportions balanced and avoids distortion. If you need a tighter fit, you can use the side handles. But corners usually give the best results. If the image covers important data, slide it to an open area or adjust your zoom level to fine-tune the placement. And if paste doesn't work, your clipboard may have been cleared. Simply take the screenshot again and paste immediately. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.